Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I just wanted to do a real quick video on the function of this button in Easel, the work zero button. Essentially, what this allows you to do is once you've set a work zero in Easel, you can click this button, it will home your machine, and then return to that previously set work zero. One of the caveats to this, and kind of where we see a lot of issues with this button, is let's say you've just turned on your machine for the first time and you click on that work zero button. What's going to happen, or what often happens, is the machine's going to home and then kind of fly off into the back right corner. And that's because you need to set that work zero again. So what you need to do is home the machine. When you first turn on the machine, home it and then set a work zero via like the carve setup menu. Just set that work zero, run your first carve, and then go ahead and click that work zero button. It'll home and return to that work zero that you set. But if you're just turning on your machine for the first time, we recommend just homing it and setting that work zero first before utilizing or using the work zero button. Because oftentimes it'll home the machine and then just rock it off into the wrong kind of direction. So that's something to keep in mind if you want to use that button. It's a really great feature for recalling your work zero, but just home the machine, set a work zero first, and then start using that button. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.